What's up, nerds? My name is Brian, and today I'm demonstrating the features of the new X-Man design Tornado version 2. I actually got this puzzle for free during one of the Cubicle.com's recent promotions. I placed a large order and received both a GAN 356XS and this new flagship puzzle on their dime. This video is not sponsored, but thanks to the Cubicle for some free cubes. Some stats. The new flagship is a 55mm cube that weighs 72 grams. The puzzle comes packaged like it's the latest iPhone release, but it won't hurt your wallet nearly as bad with the retail price of $25. Inside the box is a promotional card, a microfiber cloth, a faux leather cube bag, instruction pamphlets, and a pretty unique screwdriver. The cube also comes in a plastic storage case that you can use instead of a bag when traveling. I think that feature is a bit unnecessary though. Currently, this cube is only available in stickerless plastic and features black internals. Blind solvers should be aware that the logo is not a sticker, but is physically printed on the white center cap. Out of the box, my cube was very oily, but that's pretty common. The shades on this puzzle are very bold and quite nice. Here's a checkerboard. The contrast between red-orange and blue-green is distinct. I view these shades as very similar to the popular RS3M 2020 stickerless versions, but with a slightly darker orange side. I definitely prefer the appearance of stickered puzzles, but this cube with black internals has a very sleek and premium look. The Tornado V2 has adjustable magnets with 5 different strength settings and a dual adjustment system with 5 settings each for axis distance and spring tension. Math nerds will know that this means there are 125 unique customization options. The axis distance setting is shown by the hole in the inner ring and is adjusted by turning the white disc counterclockwise. The spring tension, indicated by aligning the outer ring with a notch in the centerpiece, is adjusted by turning the same disc clockwise. Here I will adjust the axis distance or elasticity to the tightest setting, 5, and the spring tension to the loosest setting, 1. Of all modern flagships, this system is one of the easiest to use. Here is a close-up of the edge piece. The magnets are adjusted by twisting the dial to one of the positions between the negative and positive signs. Unfortunately, you must adjust this setting on both sides of the edge or 24 times for the entire cube. The corner piece has a fixed magnet and the red covering looks cool but is irrelevant for how you'll perform on the puzzle. The spiderweb pattern looks like it's begging for some silk and gives that or any other lube plenty of places to go. One oddity of this cube is that the center caps are not symmetrical. Here you can see 2 horizontal cuts in the bottom left corner and top right corner of the yellow side centerpiece. The center caps have fins that snap into these slots, and if the caps aren't oriented correctly, you might push too hard and break your caps. Even the instruction pamphlet warns of this. Alright, on to some final thoughts. It could just be my current settings, but the reverse corner cutting on this cube leaves a bit to be desired. Standard corner cutting is on par with what you'd expect from a modern flagship, however. This cube has a very gliding and cushion-like feeling when turning it. The overall feel is definitely premium, and comparing side by side to many of my preferred budget cubes, this one has a noticeable difference in quality. Of the 40 plus 3x3s I have on my shelf, I think this cube feels the most like my original Tengen, although the Tornado is slightly more blocky and stable. This similarity could be mainly attributed to my preference of the weakest magnet setting though. Speaking of settings, I'm very pleased with the wide range of settings and different feelings you can achieve with the cube. Just because my Tornado currently feels like a Tengen doesn't mean yours has to. The difference in the weakest to strongest magnet settings was quite noticeable, and the dual adjustment system allows for a very floppy and loose or quite blocky and stable feel. For $25, this cube is a great deal. I'm happy to see a flagship 3x3 come out with all the features cubers are demanding at a much lower price. If you want a fully customizable 3x3 and only have a budget cube, this is a fantastic option. The quality is great, the price is even better. The dual adjustment system is one of my favorites, and the center cap oddity isn't a deal breaker. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below, and please subscribe for upcoming 3x3 reviews and non-WCA shenanigans. Einstein once said, "I believe in standardizing automobiles. I do not believe in standardizing human beings." Remember this and stay true to yourself. The best version of you is not the one that looks the most appealing to others, but the one that pursues with vigor your own true passions. Stay nerdy, friends, and please subscribe for more cubing content.